Hi, welcome to the Chaudhry Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University eLibrary tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover all the features and benefits of the platform so you can take maximum benefit of the eLibrary. The library sits at ccshu.refread.com. To access the library collections and all its features, you must first log in into the platform. For many features like the ability to save content into reading lists or to place item requests, login is mandatory. The logged in activity also helps us understand your reading and your research interests better. And that will help us build more features and expand the eLibrary collection further. You can log in seamlessly into the eLibrary using your registered email address. In case your account is not registered, you can get your account registered by sending your full name, email address, phone number, staff ID and your department details to the given email addresses. The administrator will review your details and send you the login credentials within 2 business days. Now let's look at the platform. Visit ccshu.refread.com. The first thing that you need to do is log in. So click on this login button here and use your login details to access the eLibrary. If you do not have your account registered, just send your details to the email address given in the footer and we will get back to you with your login credentials within 2 business days. I'm going to log in using my registered account. As soon as I log into the platform, I have full access to all its collections and services. You can track all your past readings on the homepage here. Keep up with all the latest content which has been acquired in the library or ebooks, e-journals and video lectures recommended by the library staff. You can catch on the latest books added to the Nehru Library here. Whatever content is being read most on the CCSHAU campus shows up in the trending section on the homepage. You can browse the library by categories or subjects here. Click on any of these subjects to list the resources for that particular subject area or discipline. You can also browse content by publisher. These are all the subscribed databases or content platforms which are licensed or subscribed by the CCSHAU library. So if I click on this link for CUP ebooks here, the platform link will appear. Just click on the Read button to navigate to the publisher platform or check the list of subscribed ebooks. The publisher platform will recognize you as an authenticated user of CCSHAU and you will have full text access to all the chapters. You can read the full text in HTML format or download the PDF. Basically, the experience that you had only within the campus is now available to you across the globe. Similarly, you can access all these publishers 24/7 from anywhere, anytime. In addition to the subscribed databases, we have also curated open access eResources from many green and gold standard repositories. You can access these ebooks, e-journals, theses and video lectures for your learning and research needs. You can browse e-content by media as well. Let's click on this link for journals here. And you will find thousands of journals curated from many publication sources. Most importantly, many custom curated folders has already created as per CCSHAU portfolio has also integrated with eLibrary and you can check it under the collections section. Just click on any view resources to access all the resources of the particular collection. The platform also features news clippings curated by the library staff and news headlines from more than 50 online news portals. You can also read literary works in Hindi, English, Urdu, Punjabi, and many other languages. Now let's see how you can search for eResources on the platform. We are going to start with a simple keyword search like water management. The platform first shows me all the publications matching my search query. I can drill down the search results using these filters for year, accessibility, media, authors or publishers. If I switch over to the article tab, the platform will broadcast my search query to all subscribed journals and databases and fetch the latest and most relevant research articles. Click on this button to load the entire results set. This meta search helps all scholars and faculty members save a lot of time and effort. You can filter articles by source and simply click on the Read button to access the full text of the paper on the publisher platform. The eLibrary platform also supports Boolean operators and phrase searches. For example, if we search for cybersecurity as to keywords, the platform shows more publications matching either one of the two keywords. However, if we repeat the same search with double quotes on either side of our search query, the platform will look for the keywords as a phrase and show more relevant results. You can also limit your search query to a particular media type in the basic search bar like this, or use the advanced search form for more complex queries. On every search result, you will see this Add to Reading List button. You can click it to add this result to your favorites or any folder for future reference. You can create as many folders as you want and tag as many resources as you need to those folders. You will find all your saved documents and folders here in the reading lists. You can also export the references of all saved documents in more than 1000 citation styles. Just search for the citation style and click on the Generate Citation button to build references of multiple documents in one go. Collection services and features demonstrated in this video can be accessed not just through the eLibrary web portal, but also through the CCSHAU eLibrary mobile apps available on both iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. You can download these apps to your phone and access all CCSHAU library collections on the go. We request you explore the eLibrary platform and help us spread the word on the CCSHAU campus. Please do share your feedback and suggestions on the email addresses provided in the footer. Happy reading!